Alright, so we recently got my hands on the Sonos Ace headphones, and honestly, we are seriously impressed. Let us walk you through what makes these stand out, because they're not just any regular pair of headphones. These come with custom-designed 40mm drivers in each ear cup, and the audio is chef's kiss. Everything sounds super crisp, from the highs to the mids, and yes, the bass is deep and punchy without being muddy. Whether you are listening to music, watching movies, or even just vibing with a podcast, the sound feels really rich and balanced. And if you're into immersive sound, get this. They support Dolby Atmos with dynamic head tracking. It's like the sound moves with you. You turn your head and the audio adjusts as if you're in the middle of the scene. Super cool for movies or spatial audio tracks. They also support lossless audio via Bluetooth and USB-C. So if you're someone who cares about audio fidelity, this checks that box. And speaking of sound, the active noise cancellation is next level. It blocks out almost everything, so you can just zone into whatever you're listening to. There's also an aware mode, which lets in ambient sounds when you need to stay alert, like when you're walking outside or waiting for your name at a cafe. For calls, they've got beamforming mics that isolate your voice and cut out background noise. Controls are super intuitive too. There's a content key that you can slide up or down to change volume and press to play, chop, pause, or take calls. Simple, but effective. And can we talk about the design? These things are sleek. No surprise they were named one of Time's best inventions of 2024. The build feels premium, the memory foam cushions are ridiculously soft, and the headband adjusts smoothly and stays in place. Connecting them is a breeze. They work with both Apple and Android devices. And they support Bluetooth multipoint, so you can stay connected to 2 devices at once. They also have wear detection, so your music automatically pauses when you take them off and resumes when you put them back on. It's those little smart touches that make a big difference. Battery life is solid, up to 30 hours even with ANC on. And if you're ever low on juice, just plug them in for 3 minutes and you'll get up to 3 hours of playback. Here's something we didn't expect. You can instantly switch your TV audio from a Sonos soundbar, like Arc or Beam, directly to these headphones. Perfect when you want that cinematic sound experience without waking up the whole house. Sonos also did a good job with sustainability. The headphones and case use recycled materials, the packaging is fully recyclable, and the ear cushions are replaceable, so they're built to last and easy on the planet. What's in the box? The headphones, a travel case with a cable pouch, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a USB-C to 3.5mm cable for wired listening. So yeah, overall, the Sonos Ace headphones are a serious contender in the premium headphone space. If you're looking for a mix of killer sound, thoughtful features, and sleek comfort, these are absolutely worth checking out. Let us know what you think, or if you have questions. Happy to share more.